Now I'm going to create a donut chart to show how many EVs were sold. This wasn't directly asked by our stakeholders, but I believe adding it can give them some extra insights. You should always bring your own ideas to the table. That's how you can deliver better solutions and stand out in your industry. If the stakeholders letter says we don't need this, that's fine, we can simply remove it. But by showing them this kind of extra perspective, we might help them see trends they didn't even think about to ask. So let's create this visual. Go to build and click the donut chart, and in the values drag and drop the total EV sales per maker, and in the region drag and drop the vehicle category. Click this slicer and go to format and size and style, height fix it to 103 and width in 106. I think it is perfect. And go to values and make it 8 and make sure the font is COGUI. And now we have some extra space. Okay, we will organize the things better in our dashboard designing videos. For now, this is enough. Now this is our donut chart showing the total EV sales per maker split by vehicle category. From this we can quickly see that two-wheelers dominate the market with around 92.6% of the total EV sales, and while four-wheelers make up only about 7.4%. The advantage of a donut chart is that it shows both the proportion and the actual numbers in a very visual way. It works best when you have a small number of category and you want to focus on showing the relative share of each category in the whole. And one more thing, the reason I added this chart even though the stakeholders didn't specifically request it is because sometimes these additional visuals can uncover useful insights they didn't think to ask for. That's how you stand out as an analyst, by bringing your own ideas to the table. And if later the stakeholder feels it's not necessary, we can always remove it, no problem.